Hello everybody, I'll be talking today about latest updates from the Rush EA. For those who don't know what is Rush, it is a fully automated forex trading system. So let us begin. This is my live account. We see a great progress. Account was started in mid-August 2020 and it already made 177%. So it's really going great. I'm more than happy with the results. And this live account proved all the back testing results I had previously in the last 2 years. Some of you are asking me why I tested for only 2 years. This is system that is trading on 5 minutes time frame, and also it have really great number of trades. I back tested it for over 2000 trades, so it's really a huge period for that time frame. We can see also drawdown is really medium size. This is account with 5% risk. 5% risk account for us is really more risky one. It can go even double of this, but it's really more than good to have, because you can actually double your account in just 2 or 3 months, take out your initial investment and then just trade from your profit. That's how I do it. That's how most of my clients do it. We see here August was in a little drawdown, but if I started actually traded from the start of the August, it will be around break even. But I didn't catch a right moment, but in long term that's totally irrelevant. And we can see great profit each month. October was near break even, but still 10% is also a decent profit. So you can see in just 3 months I more than doubled my account in just, let's say, 2.5 months. And December is still going awesome. We actually previous week had 33% of the profit. That's really outstanding jump, and like here also. So it happens regularly every 2 to 3 months, the latest. We can see here my other account. I actually started this one just a couple days later. I first started with less risk, then I increased it to also 5%. I wish I did it before, but still I managed to double it more or less at the same period. And you can see my initial deposit was 6,000 euros. It's also live account, and you can see here real, and my profit is already 6,200 euros. So how can I not say it's really amazing. Drawdown is here less because I started with less risk. So you can actually even trade it with medium size risk, let's say with 3%, and it will be still huge profit, and you can still double your account, maybe not in 2 3 months, but let's say in 4 months or so. I started around here with 5% risk. This is chart of the drawdown. You see periodically it goes up and down. That's totally normal. System is very fast, so we can say drawdown is within normal limits. But like I said, it is possible 2 3 times per year to go to even over 50%, but that's just with 5% risk. If you are not willing to risk that much, you can of course trade with much less risk and still be very profitable. This is my latest trades from my FX book, also from the same live account, and you see it's have a really high win percent score. Also, you can see here gains in percentage. Wins are usually much higher than losses. Losses are always, if you're trading with 5% risk, around 5%. It will rarely go over it, maybe just to 6%, but that's also very rare. But if you're set to 5%, you will usually lose 5% of account. And you'll see we gain here 9%, again 9, 7, 4, 4, etc. So system is made not only to have more wins than losses, but to also wins have much higher percent profit of your account. Now I'll tell a little bit more about the system. It already gained in just 3.5 months 1,200 pips. You can also check that on my FX book account. It's really amazing. That number of pips in that short period of time really show how system is beneficial and how much you can earn. That number of pips is amazing even for a whole year, not to mention just this small period. So funny thing is that this 3.5 months period was actually in range, but system doesn't need a big trend to gain profit, because it's very fast system. Most trades are closed within the hours, so targets are close, but of course I also use stop loss, but you don't need to wait for a trade for a couple of days. This I already said, 177% profit on my main master account. This was the drawdown, sorry for misspelling, and this was my profit of the other account. I have several accounts, but this is my master account where I put most of my money in the rush. This is backtesting results from 2019. We can see huge profit. If you don't actually touch your investment, you can really expect crazy numbers after 6 months or so, not to mention the whole year. Here we had a large drawdown. I mentioned that it's possible to have that 1 to 3 times per year, but it's nothing to be worried about. System is very sound, very logical. It's not greed or martingale, so it always use stop loss. So it's not possible that one or few trades will burn your account. That's totally impossible. If something totally crazy shall start happening on the market, it will take a few months to damage your account significantly. But that's just with 5% risk. If you will trade with less, that also risk will will be minimized, of course. This is current year. I back tested it until end of the September, because I started live trading here. But after year is finished, I will of course run a back test for the whole year to see it match my live results. Also, this year was actually even better than the previous. You see in single month 145% profit. That's really totally crazy. Actually, in just 2 months you can triple your account. Also, every 2 months here we double the account. Also, again, period of the drawdown. So if you see for a month or two you don't see profit, just drawdown, it's normal. You have to prepare yourself for that. If you are not prepared for that drawdown, then you need to trade with less risk, so you don't be that much emotional, of course. But it's something. Drawdowns are always with every system. something you need to count on, but after that you see in just 1 month, not just that we covered this loss, but made significant profit, and we are still here going up, no? This is also backtesting results. This is actually not that flat as it looks to you. This is, I don't remember, around 1000% at least profit, but it's a cumulative here, so it looks like this. But actually this profit also go go like this, but it's a cumulative, so you don't see here that much, but it's over 1000% in a single year. Here around is that year, and you see 4, 3, 2, 1, so it's okay, it's around 700% was here was over 1000%, and it's going really crazy to 10,000% the mid-October. So now it will be around here, I believe, when I finish backtesting for the whole year. Drawdown was 55%. It's okay. I would say some would say it's too much. Yes, I would actually agree. But if you see how much profit it can generate in such a low period of time, it's really worth it, because you can withdraw your initial investment in just 1 to 3 months and just trade with your profit. So that's how I will do, how most of my clients are doing. That's why what I suggested, and then you will not be worried when the time of the drawdown occur. This is from my web page, when you can purchase your system. I'm offering it for periods of 3 months, 6 months, and whole year with a 30% discount. You can also check here when you go to purchase. You have actually two options. One is for key to markets broker clients. So if you go over my link and register and trade over key to markets, prices are these. If you wanna go to broker of your choosing, there are then different prices. This is what I already mentioned. Really, from the back testing, from the live results, you can double accounts sometimes even in a 1 month period, but that doesn't happen so often, so I didn't write it down. But what's happening is regularly is after 2 to 3 months. Also, like I said before, it's tested on huge number of trades. 2000 trades is really a huge number, and that's why I was so confident to start trading with my own account with 6,000 euros, and it already paid off. I double it, and I can already withdraw and just trade from the profits. I will actually not do it yet, maybe in 2 to 3 months, because I really believe in the system. But that is what I suggest to my clients, because I know they are a little bit more worried when drawdown occur. This is a profit sharing option. If you don't wanna invest in the system, there is option for you. This is for the zero fee. You need to open your account to key to markets. There is no other options for the profit share, because it's working like investment fund. So after you deposit your money there, and then you need to connect to my portfolio, and then you will copy trades from me. Sorry, this is actually rent prices. This is profit share. This I already actually showed from here, so don't wanna repeat much. This is link if you wanna connect to my portfolio and to have these prices. This is from the no key to market clients, those prices. This is profit share, what I started saying, so it's zero fee in advance. 70% of the profits goes to you only over high watermark. Over high watermark means that you will be charged only when new profit high occurs. So if you go in the drawdown, then make some profit, but not over last high, you will not be charged. This is the link where you can connect. You need to register first to Kirto Markets, verify and fund the account. When you do that, you go to step 2, type this down, and then you will select how much you wanna trade with that spam, and that's it. It's really fast and simple, and there is no fee in advance. You pay nothing before you start gaining profit. So I don't earn anything from you until you are profitable. So it's in my best interest that you earn money and that you earn a lot, and that is really my greatest desire. This is the option. It's optional for those who are for the rent option. You can run your EA on my server. I always should suggest that you rent server, because running on your PC is really not something I would recommend. So either you rent server somewhere else or over me. These are the prices: 78 euros per month, and this is one-time installation fee. I am fully aware that you can get free VPS from your broker, but I can have dozens of that. I never do that because those servers from the brokers are not dedicated, which means that many users are using the same server. That means it will be very slow, very unreliable. You will get many times disconnected from your MT4, and you will eventually miss trades. When you start missing trades, you will have totally different results, and this sum will be totally meaningless. So you don't have to go over me, but really if you will rent server, I totally recommend that you use a dedicated one. And for the last, this is my web page, my email address. This you can check backtesting results of the rush, what I showed you here, and live MyFX book verified account of the rush EA. So everything I told here you can check by yourself. I'm always fully transparent. I never hide anything. I always trade on live account and not just with a few €100. I always use much larger sum to show you how sure I am of the system. That's it for now. In like 2 to 3 weeks I will make a new video update to show you new results, and hopefully you are pleased as I am, and those who are still not trading it, you are free to try. You can always start with less amount of money, with profit share. Check to see after 1 or 2 months what are your results, and then either rent or reinvest with larger sum. That's it for now. Cheers.